Little pharaohs that were caught the other day who have been so loved up that they want to play. Look at you. Hey, hey bunny. You rub that little tummy. And we've been holding them so much that their attack reflexes are now playful. Hey, yeah, look at you. And you too. Oh yes, I want to attack your hand. Wah, wah, wah. I am a monster. Look at me. Hey, little one. So they're playing away. They're having a great old time. This was the most fierce one. This little black one bit the neighbor the other day, but he's coming round. And little gray. Oh yes. This little guy's totally playful. Hey, come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Yeah. I'm gonna have my tummy rubbed. Yay! Look at me. Look at me. Hey. Wah, 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 wah. Hey, bunny. Oh, a little growl. That was a little hiss. Yes. Okay. And he says, that's the end. Can you let me out now? They're adorable, eh? Mm-hmm. Hey, sweetnesses. Here, come and have a little mouse. Come on. Little mouse. Come on. Come on. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Look at you. Yes, yes, you remind me of Bobby. Come on. Come on, have a little mouse. We can upload that.